So how to insert or remove SIM card on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. For that, if you open up your box, then you can see this. Just we are using this for insert or remove SIM. This is the SIM slot. Just push, then it's gonna be removed. Now we have to insert the SIM. See the dimension. Listen, that's mean you need to insert SIM like that. So once done, like, then you have to insert your SIM. So insert it properly. So once done, then you can see the SIM option available here. So if you go to your setting and connectivity and go to the SIM management, then you are able to access your SIM, and you're also able to add eSIM as well by clicking this option. I will give you another video for that. And to remove it, just remove, press again and remove the SIM. You can add another SIM, their side, this side on and this side on, and you can use a eSIM as well. That's mean 3 SIM, and insert it again. So that's it. Hope video helpful. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.